fridge, especially this time of summer, like this sun time. If you want any cool juice that will help you, you know, when you are coming back from work, just go to the fridge, drink it, take it and drink. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, then after blending, just bring out the water, the juice. I said water, just, you know, just straight out the juice. The next thing, go ahead and drink. Is good for your body. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, share this video. Good things coming very soon. Okay, share this page, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube. Bye.